Hello, Spanish 1 students. This is Miss Gallardo, and this is your very first Spanish 1 lesson. This is for the Para Empezar chapter. That's the introductory chapter, part 1, lesson 1, and it's on greetings. So what we're going to do is go through these 3 conversations, and I'm just going to teach you the words in Spanish. And then we will stop after these 3, and there is a part 2 to this. So for Convo 1, we have good morning, sir. Good morning is buenos dias. Buenos dias. Sir is señor. If we want to write the whole word out, it's like this. It's kind of like Mr. Okay, and there's an exclamation mark. So we do an upside down one on the other side. So, buenos dias, señor. The next person says good morning, which is buenos dias. Buenos dias. This literally means good day. Buenos dias. What is your name? That would be ¿Cómo te llamas? That literally means how do you call yourself? And this person is Philip. He's going to say me llamo Philip. My name is Philip. So if I asked you, ¿Cómo te llamas? You would say, me llamo, and then your name. So practice that. Me llamo, your name. Me llamo. You may notice that the double L makes a Y sound. That's what happens whenever you have 2 L's together in Spanish. Same thing with my name, Gallardo. Okay, on Convo 2, we're talking about the afternoon time. So we say, good afternoon, ma'am. That would be buenas tardes. Tarde is the afternoon. And then ma'am would be señora. This is also how you say Mrs. So buenas tardes, señora. And we have the exclamation marks again. Upside down one at the beginning. And then the next person says, good afternoon, what's your name? So good afternoon, we already did. Buenas tardes. And then what is your name? That we can look up to the conversation before. What is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? And also, looking up at the conversation before, we know how to say my name is. So she says, my name is Beatrice. So we would say me llamo. And in Spanish, you would say Beatriz. Beatriz. Okay? Nice to meet you. This is mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Delighted is, we wouldn't usually say that. It's kind of like saying, nice to meet you, you too. You would say, encantada. We're going to end this in an A because Beatrice is a girl. If you were a guy, you would say encantado. You're going to change that depending on if you're a male or a female. Okay, now our third conversation. We have, we're talking about the evening now. So good evening would be buenas noches. And exclamation marks. What is your name? We know that one now. ¿Cómo te llamas? And then hello. Oh, hopefully you know hello. Hola. My name is Graciela, so that would be me llamo Graciela. And then she says, and you. And is E. It's the letter Y. You say it E. And then you is tú. ¿Y tú? Oops. And so this guy is Lorenzo. He's going to say, me llamo Lorenzo. Nice to meet you. Was on the other side. Mucho gusto. And then likewise is a different word than the word for delighted. Likewise is igualmente. It's like saying same. Igualmente. All right, so this is part 1. Make sure you've got that filled out. And we will do part 2 in the next video.